got mail! I can't wait to open this package. I ordered this last night before bed, and it's here already. Today is such a good day to have a good day. Ooh, novel hair for you. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. The world because of you, but appears particularly beautiful. Wish you to keep slim and pretty all time. That's an interesting quote. This is Novel Hair Headband Human Hair Wigs. And this particular unit is a water wave Peruvian virgin hair. It's a non-lace front wig. It's a 14-inch headband. As a beginner wig wearer, I'd love to work with Novel Hair. And I like how it comes with 2 extra hair bands for you to use. The package also comes with a one-size-fits-all wig cap. The color is more of a beige or tan. It doesn't quite suit my skin. It fits like a socks. Oh yes, honey. Let's get to the main part of this video. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. Wow, this is so luscious. Oh, I like the way it feels running my fingers through this. So smooth, not a tangle. Let's take a closer look at the weft construction. Okay, so it has 4 hair combs, an obvious Velcro shaped black hairband because that's the style. The hairband has a bit stretch to it. The added shine might be from the lights. The hair flows and moves effortlessly. Will I purchase this unit again? I mainly purchased this to use in between wash days during the winter as a protective styling. I review this hair in the next video. Go check it out now. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you do not miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!